Hello, I'm Amy Dops. I'm the Pink Product Pro. Have you ever wanted to do a liquid eyeshadow on your eyelids that actually stays in place, but it's matte and not shimmery? Well, introducing Mary Kay's brand new matte liquid eyeshadows in these three beautiful colors for fall 2024. And I'm going to share with you a fun tutorial today and show you how you can apply them fast and easy just with your fingertips. Now, those of you who love brushes, you know that Mary Kay has a wonderful cream color brush that will be perfect for applying these, but I'm going to keep it fast and easy today with these. But those of you who are brush girls, just know we got you covered. Straight from the tube, I'm going to do a couple dots, one toward the inner of the eye, mid, and then above the crease, just to get it distributed around. I'm going to use my ring finger because that's the finger I like to work with. You may like to use your pointer finger or whatever, but just go ahead and smooth that around. This is going to not only lighten and brighten, but it's also going to act like an eyeshadow primer to help everything stay in place. That's what's great about these liquid eyeshadows. All Mary Kay liquid eyeshadows have a primer built right in. So you can see how that lightens and brightens. I'm actually bringing it alongside of my nose as well to lighten that area all the way up to the arch of the eyebrow and then blending it out. Okay, next we're going to take this beautiful color. It is called, let me see if I can see it. Warm Desert. All right, here we go. It is a beautiful color, kind of like a brownish mauve. Let's see how it translates onto the skin. For this, I'm going to apply it right above my crease and then right here along the edge because that's where I want the color most. Okay, I know it looks a little sloppy right now, but watch this. Taking my tool and blending that in. Blending it just kind of in a circular patting motion. And this one, I'm going to come back and forth and then take a clean finger to blend. Always use a clean finger if you get it where it doesn't belong, because once it dries, it stays in place wonderfully. Okay, perfect. There we go. And now, for the final pop of color. Now, for every day, maybe this is what you want to do. Pardon me. Maybe you just use the two colors for every day, depending on what look you like to go for. However, today, I'm going to use this beautiful color in the trees. It's a beautiful emerald color. It's not too dark and not too bright. It's a beautiful pop of color as eyeliner and also as my third color. You can see here how I've used it. All right, let's go ahead and straight from here. We're going to take just a little bit along the lash line just to place it, and then I'll blend it in. And then I'm going to take a little bit up here as well. I've cleaned off my finger. And now I'm going to just pat that in along the lash line. It doesn't have to be too perfect. It's your eyeliner, and it's a smudgy, smoky eyeliner. It's not a super precise line. And then this, I'm gonna just pat it up on top of that Warm Desert. Pat it in just a little bit and blend with a clean finger. There we go. And what I love about these liquid eyeshadows is that they're layerable. So for example, I want extra pop of color on the lash line. So I'm going to put a little bit more because I blended it in. Just a little pop like that. Perfect. And then I'll finish up with curling my lashes with a Mary Kay eyelash curler and my favorite Panorama mascara. These beautiful liquid eyeshadows are a matte formula. They have the primer built right in, and they're hot for fall 2024 and taking you into the holiday season as well. Hope you enjoy.